Whoa, I see two regions right there.
The regions bounded by the graph 6x and 5x squared minus x to the third are shaded in the figure above. The graphs intersect at x equals 0, 2, and 3. And it's important, actually, that the problem tells us that so that we're not in any doubt. Which of the following gives the sum of the areas of the shaded regions? All right, so let's label. This first function has to be the linear one, the 6x, and this one right here has to be the other dude, 5x to the second power minus x to the third. So we go over to our first region, and we notice that it stops at 2, and the other one stops at 3. And so I'm going to draw these little lines here to separate our regions, and we're going to have two integrals to set up for each of these. Okay, so first is the 0 to 2 one. For this one, we have the top curve minus the bottom curve, and that'll give us the region that we want left over. And so we're going to say top curve, which is the 6x minus the bottom curve, which is the blue one. And then for the other one, we're going to add from 2 to 3. The top curve changes. Okay, the top curve is now the blue one. So we go to top curve, the area underneath the top curve minus the area of the bottom curve, which will give us the region that we want. So we're going to go from 2 to 3. We have top curve is the blue one now. And then we're going to subtract the bottom curve, which is now the green one. And then let's get going on it. So this is where I made a mistake. Anyways, I started simplifying. I'm like, yay. All right, this isn't that bad, taking all these antiderivatives right here. Let's see here. I got this antiderivative, this antiderivative, this antiderivative. And at this point, I was thinking, dang, this is taking really, really long. And I looked over at the answers and went, shoot, they just wanted me to set it up. I should have read that more carefully. It says right here, which of the following gives the sum of the areas? It doesn't even say, what is the sum of the areas, whatever. So I could have stopped right here to find my answer. I didn't need all that other stuff.